Teeth whitening at home in 1 minute. Dentists will never say that. Now save the video to remember it later. Today, I share with you a natural homemade recipe to whiten your teeth. First, we will need 3 cloves of garlic. Peel and mash in a container. The second ingredient is tomatoes. Cut and squeeze a tablespoon of tomato juice. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Then add a teaspoon of your favorite toothpaste. If you have a cream with activated charcoal, even better. The first thing you should do is wet your toothbrush. Then use the paste and brush your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes twice a week. Use in moderation, as excessive use can wear away tooth enamel. If you liked my recipe, you can support me by liking and commenting.